Good morning. You must be the new employee.
Good morning. Yes, today's my first day here.
Welcome to Bright Tech Solutions. My name's Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma.
How are you feeling this morning?
A little nervous, to be honest.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way on their first day.
I'm glad to hear that.
Have you already met your team leader?
Yes, she welcomed me and showed me my workspace.
That's great. Which department are you joining?
I'm joining the marketing department.
Nice. I work in product development.
It sounds like an interesting job.
It is. Every week brings something new.
The office is much bigger than I expected.
I got lost several times during my first week.
Then I'm not the only one.
Not at all. You'll learn your way around quickly.
Thank you. That makes me feel more comfortable.
By the way, the staff lounge is on the second floor.
Interesting. Good to know. I might need a coffee later.
Then you'll fit in perfectly here.
I think I'm going to enjoy working here.
I'm sure you will. Welcome to the team.
Good afternoon. I'd like to make a dinner reservation.
Certainly. Which day would you like to reserve?
This Saturday evening, please.
Great. What time would you prefer?
Around 6:30 p.m.
And how many guests will be joining you?
There will be 5 of us.
Would you like a table indoors or on the terrace?
The terrace sounds nice.
Excellent choice. May I have your name?
My name is Emma Wilson.
Thank you, Miss Wilson. Could I also have your phone number?
Yes, it's 555-987-456.
Do you have any special requests for your table?
Yes, I'd prefer a table away from the music speakers.
No problem. I'll make a note of that.
Is parking available at the restaurant?
Yes, we offer free parking for our guests.
That's great to hear.
Let me confirm your reservation. Saturday at 6:30 p.m., 5 guests, terrace seating under Emma Wilson.
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. Your reservation is confirmed.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you this weekend.
You seem distracted today. Is something wrong?
Yes, I can't find my office key.
Oh, that's not good. When did you last use it?
This morning when I unlocked my desk.
What did you do after that?
I attended a meeting and then went to the break room.
Did you check your pockets?
Yes, several times.
Don't worry. Let's think carefully.
I need the key because some important files are inside my desk.
Okay, let's retrace your steps.
I remember carrying a coffee cup after the meeting.
Interesting. Maybe you left the key in the break room.
That's possible.
Let's go and check.
Wait a second.
What happened?
I found it.
Really? Where was it?
It was in my jacket pocket the whole time.
Sometimes the simplest answer is the right one.
You're right. I was worrying for no reason.
At least you found it.
Yes, and I learned to stay calm before panicking.
That's a useful lesson.
Yes, thank you for helping me think clearly. Good morning, Mr. Davis. Do you have a moment?
Good morning, Emma. Certainly. What can I do for you?
I would like to request a day off next Wednesday.
Of course. Is there a particular reason?
Yes, I need to attend an important family event outside the city.
I see. Thank you for informing me in advance.
I wanted to make sure the team has enough time to prepare.
That's very considerate of you.
I'll finish my current projects and send an update before I leave.
Excellent. That will help everyone stay on schedule.
I can also be available by email if something urgent comes up.
I appreciate that, but I think the team will manage just fine.
So, would it be possible to approve my request?
Yes, absolutely. Your leave request is approved.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your support.
You've always been dependable, Emma. Enjoy your day off.
Thank you. I'll make sure everything is organized before I leave.
Perfect. Have a productive day.
You too. Goodbye. Hello, Daniel. Can you talk for a minute?
Of course, Emma. What's wrong?
I'm driving home and my car suddenly stopped.
Are you safe right now?
Yes, I pulled over to the side of the road.
Good. That's the most important thing.
I don't know what caused the problem.
Did you notice any warning lights?
Yes, a red light appeared on the dashboard.
Okay, it's better not to drive the car.
That's what I thought.
Is there a gas station or service area nearby?
Yes, I can see one a short distance away.
Great. Help should be easy to find then.
I'm not sure. Do you think I need a mechanic?
Yes, that's the safest option.
I'm glad I called you.
Don't worry. I'll help you find roadside assistance.
Thank you so much.
Everything will be okay. Just stay calm.
I already feel less stressed.
Good. Call me if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks again, Daniel.